Hello, everybody. How you doing? It's Philip Staten here with the Double Advantage team. Anita Perez is my teammate. We've been together for 8 years. We use a system called optimized real estate marketing that gets the job done and absolutely will impress you, or you can cancel and move on to somebody else. But very proud of what Anita Perez and myself, Philip Staten, has to offer our clients. So today we have got a property in St. Matthews that is in an excellent location, and it's a very impressive home. I'm going to play a video where we're walking through this property. As you can see, we have the collage there, shows some of those highlights, but I also want to bring up some of those details while we're going through the video. So if you're willing to stick it out with me, it'll be just like an open house. We'll take it one step at a time on every level, every room, and I hope you all enjoy it. So let's get right into it. So this property has 1,525 square feet on the main level. Look at this gorgeous lead inlay glass door, letting a lot of natural light in that living room. Hardwood floors in here with a gas fireplace. I really love those windows on each side. Now the basement, and I'll probably repeat this in a minute, it is 750 square feet of finished space down there and 300 square feet of unfinished space, but it's very well placed as storage room. Now look at this kitchen. This is super nice in here. Stainless appliances, extended counter space, and a door that gives you access onto the deck. There's some new flooring in that kitchen, and it's open to the dining area. Look at this beautiful view. The backyard is spacious. There's a deck, perfect for grilling out with family. And I love the way this kitchen is laid out. It's compact, but it's got everything that you need right there. Perfect for the chef in your family. Very nice. So we'll head on over here to the bedroom area, and we've got the main level full bathroom with a custom shower, a window looking out back, and it's been updated a little bit, so it's very nice in there. And over here, this is what we're calling our primary bedroom. It's got two windows in there looking out. One's looking out the side, the other out front. Beautiful views, modern colors in here. And it also, behind the door there, I think I'll open that up. We'll take a quick look. There's a step-in closet over here. And you've got solid wood doors on these bedrooms. That's always nice. The older homes have some real good things going on. This is the secondary bedroom. It does not have a built-in closet, but you could put an armoire in there. You could add a closet if you wanted, but it's really a great space. You can see they've got a closet there in the corner. Hardwood floors in here as well. Now we're going to head up to the second level. And this is an amazing space up here. You have the third bedroom that has got a view looking out the side there, but the way this is laid out up here is really nice. There's a lot of room. You've got two little double closets here to store things in, but in the landing up here, you have just several spaces of storage there. You also have some space here for, as you can see, bookshelves. There's room there to put anything you want. Now upstairs, you've got a closet in the bathroom, a towel closet. This custom bathroom is gorgeous. It's got a lot going on. Tile and a view out the side window. And you over here to the side, you have a vanity. And you also have a little closet tucked in over here behind the door for extra storage. Love the bathroom upstairs. This is an excellent space for a young person or guest. Now let's head down into the basement. Like I said, there's 750 square feet of finished space down here and 300 square feet of unfinished, but you've got built-in bookshelving over here. It's carpeted. It's very dry down here, and a great space. You can see there's room for a gym, a theater, a workout area, an office. Lots of light. There's the windows down here provide a lot of natural light over here. You can see there's recessed lighting that is keeping it well lit down here. And I love basements because they're a little bit cooler normally, and it's an excellent kind of man cave space down here. Now over here, you do have a closet that is perfect for storage. You can see there's some stuff in there, some drum items. This is a great place to have guests. You see the gaming area, but I see this as a theater, a family room. Right over here, you have the laundry room, but you've got all this built-in shelving that is perfect for storage. And so let's get back over here to the main. That kind of cut off. I thought we went over to the other storage area, but we did not. And so this is on just under a quarter of an acre, 1,525 square feet above ground, 750 square feet below ground that's finished, and 300 square feet for additional space. And a gorgeous property. It's within walking distance of the elementary school, right up the way on Hubbard's Lane, I believe. I don't have that written down, but it is in the agent notes and it's in the description on the MLS. But you are within walking distance of the elementary school there in St. Matthews, and that's always a big positive for some folks, not everybody. But the backyard is spacious. And because of that walkthrough, we did not actually look around the yard heavily. But as you can see back here, there's a deck, some mature trees, a lot of space back here for anything, a garage, a pool, just a nice play area. Your dogs can run around back there, kids can run around back there, and just a gorgeous house all around. And so with that being said, we'll wrap this up pretty quickly. Do not want to have a 20-minute video here boring you with it, but give us a call. If you're looking in the Louisville area and you want to be in an excellent location, the St. Matthews area is very desirable. There is a lot going on. There's shopping. There's the expressway. You've got a lot of entertainment down the road. The Highlands is right up the street. And so this is the place you want to be, and it is priced under market. Let's get this place under contract. Don't sit around. It will be gone. So with that being said, you all have a great day. Thank you for joining us. Please consider subscribing so that you're up to date on all of our new listings that come on. And call if you have any questions about any of the listings we have here. We're more than happy to answer your questions, and we're definitely more than happy to show you properties in the area. You all have a great day. Philip Staten and Anita Perez, the Double Advantage team with Breland Group Realtors. Bye.